Hello everybody. So this is our instrumentation project. It's basically an indoor greenhouse that controls the environment and that measures various environmental conditions to allow optimal plant growth. So as we can see, first of all, of course, we have the plant. We have several sensors included in this system. The first sensor is this sensor, which is a soil moisture sensor. Okay. So the second sensor is the DHT11. Now this sensor is a humidity and temperature sensor. And finally, we also have the photoresistive light sensor. This sensor measures the light intensity. Okay. So now we move on to test the functionality of the system. Okay, so first of all, we're going to be testing the soil moisture sensor. Now this sensor basically controls the DC water pump, which turns on or off depending on the percentage of moisture in the soil. So now it's outside the soil, so it's simulating a dry or no moisture basically. So the DC water pump is on, and if we place this inside the soil, as we can see, the readings will increase and the DC water pump will turn off. So now we will be testing the temperature and humidity sensor, which is the DHT11. As we can see, the temperature right now is about 26 and the humidity is about 58%. Now if you apply some heat or humidity to the temperature, as we can see, the humidity and temperature should increase and the DC fan will turn on. So now we're going to be testing the functionality of the curtain, which depends on the readings of the photoresistive light sensor. Now currently it's in the moderate state. So in the moderate state, when there is moderate light intensity, the curtain stays up. Now using this flashlight, we're simulating the case where the light intensity is very high to the state where it is harmful to a plant. So in this case, the curtain goes down in order not to harm the plant from too much light. And finally, we're going to be simulating the case of light intensity is too low, in which the LED light that we have should turn on. And as we can see, we're waiting for the LED to turn on, and it just did. So yes, these are basically the three cases of the light intensity sensor.